Shaktohain 71. There are three things that they give you in this chapter that are worth noting. One is the very idiomatic use of the pronoun as the object of the verbal noun. He was to my questioning. He was at my questioning. Literal translations. He was questioning me is how you would translate it. But vishe dama chestu, to or for my questioning. He was for my questioning, which I think comes out in Hiberno English. So it's the da, to or towards or for, combined with the pronoun or with the pronoun. So dama, da, aw, which can also be daw, dar, davar, aw, again, or daw. You can use either one, dialect difference. And, of course, the usual rules for the possessive pronoun. This is with the possessive pronoun applies. So, for my questioning. Vishe for my questioning. He was at my questioning. He was questioning me. So that's the main point of this whole chapter. They give you quite a bit of that. Just a few more examples. Vishe davrgestu. Vishe aw unsi, attacking him. Aw hansi, attacking her. Aw nansi, attacking them. So you got to remember. So this is just an idiomatic construction that's unique to Irish, I guess, and it's an alternative way to say certain things, and very useful. Another thing they give you in this chapter is the use of agus to mean while or as instead of just and. So at the bottom of the first page there, Hanak me e agus me dolawaye, while I was going home, not and me going home, which would be the literal translation, but it's really while or as I was going home. Okay? And then the third thing that they give you in this chapter is when you're talking about I have been doing something or something's been going on, you use the present tense. So time ansha or tame ansha l'shachten. I have been here for a week would be the translation. I'm here for a week. I have been here for the whole week. Tashi broche lefada. She's been sick for a long time. Time dadalorger fahanle. I have been looking for you throughout the day. Not beam dadalorg fahanle. I'm always looking for you all through the day. That's a different sentence, right? That one's a little peculiar because of the erfa. But anyway, this is for the period of time I have been doing something, or whoever is the subject. So those are the three main things in this second to last chapter. So study up.